I've entered public playtime, but where's the stream firstly? What is this case? What? Who are you?
You opened my case. I think you're so wrong.
Then what are you doing in your cave, man? Get out of here. What's up? Red. Way up. Guess I'll have to just go down there myself.
Oh, a human. I haven't seen a human in a long time. I want to play some games with you.
No, I just want Poppy back.
Oh, too bad, so sad. Head over to Playtime Co. to play Musical Memory with Bunzo Bunny.
Gulp.
Welcome to Musical Memory. This advanced memory and cognitive recognition test is designed to stimulate several segments of the brain, allowing us to see how quickly and efficiently your brain works. A sequence of colors will be shown, and you must recreate the exact sequence using the buttons around you. Bunzo will slowly lower towards you. When you complete a color pattern correctly, Bunzo will rise back up. When you input a pattern incorrectly, Bunzo will lower towards you faster. If Bunzo reaches you, your test is over. The test will become more difficult as it continues, with longer patterns in quicker succession. That's all. Good luck.
Broccoli. Broccoli football.
Broccoli football.
Broccoli football
You can stay.
MRE.
If you're nice enough, I'll add you as a moderator.
Broccoli football flashlight fart. Flashlight broccoli MRE. Round 1 completed.
Yes!
Backpack.
Backpack.
Backpack flashlight.
Flashlight.
Backpack flashlight broccoli. Backpack
You.
flashlight broccoli MRE. Flashlight, backpack, broccoli, fart, MRE.
Yo, where'd you go? Oh!
Yay! Round 2 completed. Broccoli.
Broccoli.
Broccoli, flashlight.
Broccoli. Flashlight.
Broccoli, flashlight, fart.
Oh, fuck! I got it! I did it! I did it!
One of them says he's the owner
Broccoli,
of the code.
flashlight, fart,
We have it.
football.
We have pause. I'm gonna just grapple
The
it.
host of this, can I have something or have you already started?
We just put. What was that? What's that noise?
Can't shut it off, can't shut it off. Can't shut it off when I feel the pain. Can't shut it off, can't shut it off. Can't shut it off when I feel the pain. Can't shut it off, can't shut it off. Can't shut it off when I feel the pain. They took what they wanted, made me a monster, the permanent face of a life that's haunted. Can you feel it? I wear it well, the smiling enemy. Deep down and I count your mishaps. I'm built with leftover body parts. I need a hard restart to be set free.